You've probably seen this before. The Samsung A12 works fine after repair, but after some time, the same problem comes back. That's why you need to do the jumper I'm showing in this video, even if the phone looks perfectly fine after the repair. Hi guys, we have an A127F and the phone stays on the Samsung logo and won't turn on. This phone came to you with any problems. Look at the shield on the power supply. If, like in this case, the shield was disconnected from the board, do as in this video and the problem will be solved. I removed the shield completely and want to remove the power IC. Like me, check these 5 pins in diode mode. If the value of any of them is OL, it means there is a definite sound problem. In this case, it wasn't a problem, but if you had this problem, I've addressed that issue in previous videos. The main problem with this case is the weakness of the crystal connection pins to the power IC, which we need to strengthen. This is what causes the phone to not be returned after repair. I secure the connection with UV glue. I will speed up the steps for reballing the power IC so that it doesn't take up your time. If it was useful to you, support me by liking and subscribing, thank you. The problem was solved and the phone turned on.